This is the Upper Bay, New York Harbor. We're making our way towards the Brooklyn Bridge. All right, this is for anybody with gray hair like myself. Raise your hand if you served in World War I. Good, because if you didn't serve in the war, you would have been arrested and thrown on Governor's Island. Turn around and take a look at New York City's first military base. Two of our most famous prisoners, one was a boxer by the name of Rocky Marciano, and the other one was Walt Disney. All right, vote. Does anybody know Walt Disney's first cartoon? Don't say Mickey Mouse. It's gonna be a long ride. Steamboat Willie. Steamboat Willie. She got it right? All right, Stripes, what's your name? Alicia. All right, Alicia. You see the gray building at the end of Governor's Island? It's from a very famous movie. I'll give you one hint. That gray building was in a movie. Will Smith was in it. Start yelling out wrong answers. Yes, take out your phone and take a photo of the Men in Black headquarters. Don't be one of those people. That's how you do it. Yeah, I just told you. All right, we're exiting the harbor and we're now in the East River. The biggest difference, the East River is about 60 feet deep and the Hudson River, 205. All right, let's make a little money. If you look towards Manhattan, this is the financial district of New York City. If you're wearing gold, it's trading at $3,500 an ounce. And in this area of Manhattan, there's over 18 tons of it, 20 feet below, with 24-hour armed guard. Now that I have your attention, this is what I'm looking for. I need 10 international visitors to join my Ocean's 11. Muscles, you first. Where you from? England? That's probably your gold anyway. You're out. Where you from? Chicago? Nope. I need international. You. Kuwait? You're in. You know how to drive? Even better. All right. What about this lady sipping on the Coca-Cola? Ohio? Man. Little shirt. Where? You're in. All right. And what about you? Morocco, all right, but you don't have a mustache, so you're out. All right, now, raise your hand if you've been to Brooklyn. Oh, that explains it all. All right, raise your hand if you want to go to Brooklyn. Who cares? Look over there. You're in Brooklyn. This is the island of Brooklyn. Brooklyn and Queens are just one island. I'm only talking to the dudes that are not wearing New York hats, all right? The only borough that is connected to New York State, talking to you too, all right, is the home of the Yankees, the Bronx. If it's your first time visiting New York or America, the Bronx is bigger than Paris and made up of over 75% farmland. All right, I bothered everybody. So the next one is for the kids or for the kid in you. If you like the cartoon or TV show One Piece, look towards the left of this boat and I'll show you a real life pirate ship. That black and white boat in the middle is the Waver Tree Liverpool. She sailed around the world 4 times in a row, and now she's a museum right here on the South Street Seaport.